Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So welcome to Vet It's You YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the histology of the cartilage. So let's get started. So first of all, the cartilages are those structures that are specialized for the support. Another property of the cartilages is that they possesses the considerable amount of the tensile strength because the intercellular spaces are filled or laced with the collagen or the elastic fibers, and the firm pliable ground substance enhances their weight bearing ability. Moving on, the cartilages are devoid of any vascular supply or the nervous supply in general, but it has some exceptions. Like in the case of epiphyseal cartilages, the vessels may penetrate and provide them the nutrition. In general, the cartilages provide us the support just because of the good tensile strength which is provided with the help of collagen and the elastic fibers. Along with this, the ground substance is flexible, which enhances its weight bearing ability. Here you might be thinking that what is ground substance? So basically it is a amorphous gel-like substance accumulated in the extracellular space, and in the case of cartilages it is filled with the collagen or the elastic fibers. Moving forward, the cartilages have two types of cell. The first one is chondroblast and another one is chondrocyte, and we will now discuss their differences. Talking about the chondroblasts, they are present in the growing cartilages which are basically more active. Comparing with the chondrocyte, it is present in the less active cartilages. In the case of the chondroblasts, they have oval shaped cells with the spherical nucleus and have a good amount of the Golgi apparatus. While in the case of the chondrocyte, they have elongated to the spherical shape nucleus or the cells. Moving forward, the chondroblasts have cytoplasm which is basophilic in nature due to the large amount of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Along with this, the chondroblast forms the matrix of the cartilages that surround the perimeter of the cell. Basically, matrix is the material in the cells in which more specialized structures are embedded or accumulated. Now talking again about the chondrocyte, each of them is located in a lacunae, which is a cavity present in the semi-rigid matrix. Along with this, the chondrocytes have short cytoplasmic process that extend into the intercellular space. The important function of the chondrocyte is that it helps in the maintenance of the surrounding matrix. This was all about the difference between the chondroblast and the chondrocyte, and you should memorize it before moving forward. Moving on, we will discuss about the classification of cartilages. So the first type of the cartilage is the hyaline cartilage. So in the case of the hyaline cartilages, the chondrocyte may vary in different sizes. It can be larger along with the polyhedral in shape. Other than this, near the surface of the cartilages, a small chondrocyte is located in the elliptical lacunae whose long axis of the cell is parallel to the surface. So lacunae, I already told you, it is a cavity present in the semi-rigid matrix. So some small chondrocyte will be located in the elliptical shape of the lacunae whose long axis is just parallel to the surface of the cartilage. Another characteristic of the hyaline cartilage is that some lacunae may contain one chondrocyte, other may contain two or the four, and sometimes the six chondrocytes. And these multicellular lacunae having numerous chondrocytes are called as cell next or the isogenous group of the cells. Before moving forward, I would like to tell you about the collagen fibers. These are basically the protein fibers found abundantly in the body of the animal. and it have two types, the type 1 collagen fibers and the type 2 collagen fibers. So here in the case of the hyaline cartilage, a ground substance which is located in the extracellular space is just firm like and laced with the type 2 collagen fibers. Moving forward, surrounding each lacunae, there is thin layer of the pericellular matrix that contains the proteoglycans but deficient in the collagen fibers. Basically, the pericellular matrix is a narrow space surrounding each cells in the lacunae whose component is the proteoglycans or the protein but are deficient in the collagens. Now the another layer of the territorial matrix will surround the pericellular matrix that will contains the collagen fibers, and also the interterritorial matrix will lies outside the territorial matrix. So simply it states that the lacunae are surrounded by the pericellular matrix. The pericellular matrix is again surrounded with the help of territorial matrix whose components are collagen fibers, and this territorial matrix is again surrounded with the help of the interterritorial matrix. And here don't confuse with the word matrix, it just simply signifies the membranous covering over the lacunae, then to the pericellular matrix, then to the territorial matrix. Moving on, under the characteristics of the hyaline cartilage, it have perichondrium. This is basically a connective tissue layer present all over the cartilages except the articular surface. So basically articular surface is a surface that makes a direct contact between the two skeletal structure and is usually covered with the help of the articular cartilage instead of the perichondrium. So this connective tissue layer, perichondrium, have two distinct layers. First one is the chondrogenic, or you can say the cellular layer, which lies immediately adjacent to the cartilage and has chondroblast and a well-developed network of the blood vessels. The another layer is the outer fibrous layer that have irregularly arranged fibroblast and the collagen fibers layer. Here the fibroblast is a type of a connective tissue which is most common. Along with this, it synthesizes the extracellular matrix and provide a structural framework for the animal tissue. Now talking about the occurrence of the hyaline cartilages, it can be found in the trachea, the bronchi, the articular surface of the bone, etc. Here you can see the histological preparation of the hyaline cartilage. Basically in the first picture you can see the different chondrocytes, the matrix and the lacunae, and the outer covering of the pseudo-stratified epithelium. Along with this, the second picture is quite magnified, and here you can see the isogenous groups of cell. Basically they are located in the lacunae which have the numerous number of the chondrocytes. I hope this is clear. This was about the histology of the cartilage, and we will discuss the next two types of the cartilage in the upcoming video. I hope you like it. So please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Vet It's You. Thanks for the watching, an initiative by Ankit Kaushik.